hardcore riders, man. So what, how was it today? Awesome. So you guys had some fun, man.
Where you headed to?
I just go get a spare key, mate. Just cruising around.
How you feeling?
I'm here in Pearl City by Foodland with my T Dub. Gonna get a spare key made. I don't know. I ordered from eBay. Don't order from those guys, bro. They're gonna tell you the thing fit. The key no fit. Try to get a key. That guy, the key's nice though, but try look at your T Dub key and look at this one. Different. Got another cut inside. Don't buy this rubbish. I said I'm back to China. But he's trying to see, even he's getting a hard time finding the right one over here, the right key. And he's got a lot of keys, so now I gotta go into town. Try this key and see if it works. Aloha. There you go. Not anyone. Yeah, all same, all same, all same. This one too, same. Ignition. Original. That's the one he made. Oi! Hey! This is the one you make. Yeah, it's the one. Look. Over here too, look. This one too, this one for the helmet. Oh, this one. Yeah? So? Yeah? This is the one. This is the one. Okay, one. Oh, if you want to store your documents, you can store them here inside this compartment. Motorcycles are usually going to have a compartment that you don't need tools to access so that you can get your documents should you get pulled over from the popo. So you can just put it inside here, my brothers. Right here, and right here is the connection points. You see them? You just pull gently. Try not to break anything. And then it says to read the owner's manual before you start fooling around with all this kind of stuff and get yourself electrocuted. Yeah, we're not gonna go that far, but this is in its stock form. You guys see it. I have not done a doggone thing to it yet. This is it, bro. I just got a spare key, that's all. What I ordered was, I ordered riser bars. I'm gonna make those fat bars and then put some better levers on. They crinkled them up pretty good for me. I got some Cycro Pro bends right there.